What are the long-term maintenance costs of a well septic system? When considering the long-term maintenance costs of a well and septic system, it is important for real estate investors to understand the financial implications. These systems can be a significant part of property expenses, so let's break down what you might expect. First, let's talk about septic systems. Regular maintenance is key. Typically, septic tanks need to be pumped every 3 to 5 years. The cost for this service usually ranges from $150 to $300, depending on where you live and the size of the tank. Routine inspections are also a good idea. They help catch any potential issues early on. Minor repairs, like replacing baffles or risers, can cost a few $100s. However, if the drain field fails, the costs can skyrocket. Replacing a drain field can range from $5,000 to $50,000 or more. The specific costs depend on factors like sill type and local regulations. For instance, clay soils or high water tables can make repairs more expensive due to the need for specialized systems. Now, let's shift to well systems. One ongoing cost is the electricity needed to run the well pump. For example, if you use about 400 gallons of water daily, your electricity bill might increase by around $2 each day. This amount can vary based on local utility rates. Well pumps can also require repairs or even replacement over time. The costs for these repairs can range from $1,500 to $2,000 or more, depending on the specific issue. Additionally, regular water quality testing is recommended to ensure safety. This testing typically costs between $50 and $150 per test. For real estate investors, it is essential to conduct thorough inspections before purchasing a property. Assessing the condition and age of both well and septic systems can save you from unexpected expenses later. If these systems are nearing the end of their lifespan, it may be wise to negotiate a lower purchase price or factor in replacement costs. Another consideration is the potential requirement to connect to municipal services. In some areas, properties with septic systems may need to hook up to city sewer lines if expansion occurs. This can lead to additional costs that you should be aware of. Lastly, standard homeowner insurance often does not cover septic system replacement due to wear and tear. Therefore, it is important to plan for these expenses out of pocket. In summary, the long-term maintenance costs of well and septic systems include regular pumping, inspections, electricity for well pumps, and occasional repairs. Major repairs or replacements, especially of the septic drain field, can be quite costly. Proper planning and budgeting for these expenses are vital when investing in properties with these systems.